And there's the spring. And that is welded onto here on there, like that. So it comes up, and then the scarecrow's up in the air about as high as that, and it wobbles about on the spring. And then this spins round on the headstock. So you just weld that, cut it off there, weld that to there, come down and weld it on a big piece of pole, and then weld it to the top of the spring there. And you drill holes through there like that. So when you get enough milk cartons or whatever, that's where he swings and goes round. That's my theory anyway, but I need to, it's too wide at the minute at the top, and I don't know if his arms are too thick. But we'll see when we get more bottles. That's the end of my instructional video.